Paddy Sandy invites you to the official shop of Paris Saint-Germain here on the Champs-Élysées in Paris. Let's check out an amazing shop. Just next to WeWork I can see. And this is where you're greeted when you enter. Bonjour. I did the tour yesterday at the football club. Amazing. Beautiful stadium. And of course, you get icons. Everyone's a star. At the official store, Paris Saint-Germain. Obviously, black really is the in color, the darker shades. What an amazing shop. Check it out. Of course, Qatar. Amazing contributor to the sports. And of course you can choose your player. And for example, Lee Kang-in, 19. Mbappé. Or Dembele, and so forth. What not to like? With Qatar Airways at the Paris Saint-Germain official store in Paris. And remember, Iran, collect your scarves. Checkout's cool. Of course, you've got a fitting room so you can try out your clothes first. You have some more players. Absolutely stunning. Koreans, a lot of Koreans, because you have a Korean player and you know exactly who he is. The amazing Lee Kang-in, who plays for Paris Saint-Germain. We go up a second. Journey continues on the upper level. Paris Saint-Germain official store, Champs-Élysées. I mean, it just smells of quality. I mean, it really is a quality tea. And don't forget the kids. Kids also can have this. Finally, to show you something else, which really, oh, big shopper. Down we go. This is what I really love. Look at the amazing football boots. Well, they're a work of art. That's it. This would win Paris Fashion Week, a dress like that. So guys, let's get sports shoes on Paris Fashion Week. That's where you leave it. At the Paris Saint-Germain Football Club store. It's over now with Handy Sandy. Big kiss. Appreciate the visit. Like, subscribe, as we say. Well, certainly subscribe and share. Most important, sharing is free. Thanks, Paris Saint-Germain. Don't forget your mug. And we exit. Don't worry. You run. You get a scarf. Oh, by the way, you can always look at these scarves.